Ciao studenti, we are here today at the Capuchin Crypt, overlooking a street. If you go ahead and take a look at the trees, you'll notice parakeets flying around. They have inhabited this beautiful Roman street and are native to the area. Just an example of habitat.
Although we did not see any cats, we learned about parakeets instead. There are a considerable number of rose-fringed parakeets living in Rome. They are a tropical Afro-Asian bird with a red beak that over the tree-hole homes of Rome's woodpeckers, as well as monk parakeets that are more discreet South American variety that builds communal wicker-like nests. The origin comes from their escape from aviaries and intentional release by private owners in the late 1970s and 80s, establishing separate breeding colonies in green areas. Now they are a familiar sight to see in tree-lined neighborhoods across the cities. The birds do not migrate and are among of the few parakeet species to have successfully adapted to living in an urban environment. The following photos are species found in Rome. After learning the history over the Colosseum, it was interesting to see the structure that brought death to so many animals and entertainment to people. It was an incredible place to see and take note of, as it was high importance in ancient Rome. To feel the spirit of the gladiators and feel as if we were taking a part of our own production. It was a great feeling. Aqueducts are a system of pipes, ditches, canals, tunnels, and supporting structures used to convey water from its source to its main distribution point. Such systems generally are used to supply cities and agricultural lands with water. The first Trevi fountain was purely functional. It supplied fresh drinking water from natural springs to the people in Rome, who would bring buckets to the fountain and collect water to take home. The first Trevi fountain was designed by Leon Battista Alberti in 1453 at the terminal of the old Aqua Virgo aqueduct. Lastly, in Rome, I visited the catacombs that were underground galleries used for centuries as cemeteries. The catacombs began to take place in the 2nd century and were not finished until the 5th century. Here, the pagan citizens, Jews, and the first Christians of Rome were buried.
Da lutto di